In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix WordPress cURL error 7 step by step. If you're seeing a message like cURL error 7 failed to connect to host, don't worry, this is a very common WordPress issue, and in most cases, it's related to your server configuration, firewall, or DNS settings. I'll walk you through the recommended fixes, starting with the most effective solutions first. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, the most important step, check your server and network configuration. In most cases, cURL error 7 happens because your server is blocking outbound connections. WordPress uses cURL to communicate with external services, including the WordPress API, plugin servers, and payment gateways. If those outgoing requests are blocked, you'll see this error. The best and fastest solution is to contact your hosting provider. Reach out to their support team and ask them to check whether the server firewall is blocking outbound HTTPS traffic on port 443 or any other required ports. Also ask them to confirm that your server's IP address hasn't been accidentally blocked. Many times hosts have strict firewall rules that prevent external communication, and they can quickly whitelist the necessary connections for you. While you're speaking with your host, also ask them to verify the server's DNS settings. If your server cannot properly resolve domain names, WordPress won't be able to connect to external URLs. A common test is switching the DNS to Google Public DNS, which uses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Your hosting provider can test this for you to see if DNS resolution is the issue. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard and make sure everything is updated. Go to Dashboard, then Updates, and check for any available updates for WordPress core, plugins, and themes. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility problems that trigger connection errors. Update everything to the latest stable versions and then test your site again. After that, let's increase your PHP memory limit. A low PHP memory limit can interfere with background processes that rely on cURL. To fix this, access your wp-config.php file using your hosting file manager or FTP. Locate the line that says Define WP memory limit and set it to at least 128 M. If it's not there, you can add this line. Define, open parenthesis, quote, WP underscore memory underscore limit, quote, comma, quote, 128 M, quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. Save the file and reload your website to see if the issue is resolved. Now let's talk about your PHP version and cURL library. Make sure your server is running PHP 7 or higher, ideally PHP 8 or above for better performance and security. You should also confirm that the cURL library version is up to date, preferably version 7.7 or higher. You can usually check this inside your hosting control panel under PHP information. If you're unsure, your hosting provider can confirm and update it for you. Another possible cause is SSL configuration. If your cURL error is related to SSL certificates, such as cURL error 60, your server's CA certificates may be outdated. In that case, your host may need to update the certificate bundle on the server. For temporary debugging only, SSL verification can be disabled, but this should never be done on a live production site because it creates security risks. Always aim to properly configure valid SSL certificates instead. After completing these steps, checking firewall rules, verifying DNS, updating WordPress, increasing PHP memory, updating PHP and cURL, and confirming SSL configuration, most cURL error 7 issues are completely resolved. If you followed everything and the issue still continues, it's almost always something at the hosting level, so escalate it to their technical team with the exact error message you're seeing. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix WordPress cURL error 7 step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress fixes and website troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.